This is Abia State. This is where Governor Alex Otti is working. Obuho mouth to say Obuho sere cho no biam. Ila ga hin la ye mo le mehu okaro. Omenu kyoku ahenembola Abia State. This is Chioma Otti. He's doing sakariala. This is digital hospital. Okuriya omenle. So all of us are now here. So you don't tell me not to praise what I am seeing. Yeah. Come.
Because as a journalist, I'm a journalist. My name is Chichi Omesaka, an investigative journalist.
Yes.
The United Nations have been piloting something that they said is universal health coverage. Yeah. And they said in 2030, the whole world will digitalize our health centers. Currently, we are seeing that a lot of doctors, Mahapo, our country,
yes. Very bad.
You know, so it became an issue. And anything personal health is important to me. You know, our governor in Abia State has digitalized some of the centers already in 2026. I felt that it was necessary for us to put it out there. For me, it's to say well done to our governor and, you know, keep doing the work we are doing, sir. And hopefully United Nations, you need to come over here and see what is happening here and be able to give the necessary support, you know, to Abia State. And I'm also using this opportunity to talk to other governments, other states, you know, to digitalize healthcare, because what
let them follow suit.
Yeah, let them follow suit. What we are seeing here, our grandpas, our grandmothers in the village here, they, in fact, they think they have very easy. They any card. They put everything in the system. So even as they are here, they are talking with doctors who know America.
Every make of Hanese Mara in her governor. I only make Puriche. For over 16 years, I have to make a Puriche. Okay, can you come Makaya? Oh, digitalized healthcare system, digital healthcare system. Only data in a this accurate because information will be liquid in. Yeah, okay, do the right thing. Somebody can be very happy. I think somebody can catch the place na equal no local government. But see here nonga anya clinic nonga free of charge. Another nego service nile free. Governor taking care of every bill. We're proud of him. Any day, anytime. How can I call hers? Yes, the new salary, consolidated salary, and the ora hike ebendozo. Yeah, we have no cook ayuwa. Onye di kam na federal level, onye ahu na di kam one.
And every BP machine and answer Igbo here. I want to be BP machine. No answer Igbo. I only know English. This digital health center no mudike. Never knows on my line. That's a KBPG. Nka kwa do Igbo come ara gi Igbo
you're saying that
Dr. Mrs. Uchechi Nwachukwu, the health authority secretary.
We are extremely happy.
Yes,
with what is happening today. What happened to our local, what do you call it? Our health center. The only health center in Ikuano that have gone digital.
Yes.
The only health center in Ikuano that is functional 24 hours.
Active.
There's nothing you can think of.
With what? Resident doctor and nurses.
My fellow Abians, who now heard that there is no need of talking too much. I already said it. This man, Governor Alex Otti, meant well for the Abian. I am Roji Worobia Lile. Let's do well to support him to return back to that seat. Let him steady light beacon. Let him complete your bidon nebidon. Oti Yadrola.
We working on Abia State and my MV. Jehovah, unafukwa the health care facilities in Abia State onwe. Hey, Jehovah. Obokwa the government of that state na budget ego more than an budget in 80s also 600,000 naira or 60 million na health care. This man now involved only invest in health care system. When last kijalo no ogo. Enough udi hanu manime uno in Abia State in Nigeria. Let's not private hospitals. Government building hospital. Alex Otti say blessing. Alex Otti say another proof that shows that na chokwa ka Nigeria alo ganiru. Nigeria ya gamuniru. Alex Otti is a good example of it. Now, ị na-ajụzi onwe gị sị, kedu ihe ji ndị a nụnwa ọlụ since? Ọ na-adị ga-ada abata? Ọ na-adị ga-ada abata? Which means now most of our local government chairmen has been embezzling and been swindling us since. Everybody should be held accountable. Mana ihe na-egwe ime iwe in all this struggle bụ na mmadụ ya pụta hapụzi ya ọlụ dịịrị gọọmenti. Asịba gị chọọchị ndị pastọ anyị abụ na ndị pastọ mere nka ndị pastọ mere nke ọzọ. Well, a government of Abia State are doing it without even being religious bias about it. Achọrọ ịma na ị na-eti isi ya na achọrọ ịma na ị na-eme alakụba, achọrọ ịma na ị na-agwọ ọgwụ, achọrọ ịma na ị na-egbu ụdị echi, achọrọ ịma na ị na-eje ụka. Government for all. It's just so sad na abata n'ụlọ ọgwụ like this. Anara ihe na-abịa jụwa nọọsụ chọrọ treat gị nọọsụ ọ na-eje ụka ka ọ na-eme omenala. Ihe dị afịa aka arụ digo. Mana once gbakeze ibido kụwa ibe online. Ndị pastọ ji eme nke ma mmakwa na that nọọsụ a treat gị nwere ike ọ bụrụ na nwa pastọ ka ọ bụ. Ịma mma. You may think no Mama that maybe she came with another dimension of power to lay hands on you. Then the Spirit of God will flow through that in oneme to go and touch you at the point of your need. Una mama. Injekuli has that na Abia State is doing well. Governor Alex Otti Chilogaba. Echichakwa 4 years, achukwa another 4 years. Echicha another 4 years. Biko Chiluku Ozogaba. Amending the policy. Because I'm neighbor onye obioma. Enwere ike echicha this 4 years, inwe ike another 4 years. Echichazi nka inwezi ike elitue. Mana biki before you na elitu, I beg you in the name of God. Tiyikwa somebody that have the kind of your mindset. Ikwukwana ka ndị oshi Abia State because enwere nke mfolo speaker nke Abia State ananwa. Speaker in a pass law na House of Assembly. In a say her section 1, section 2, in a pay the team page by page. Ndị mmadụ na-asị gị no ọdịrọ mma ka agụọ any nke ọ bụla ikpọla afa igwa section 1 igwa the law the under it ka ama na ya me approve. Still you don't even want to listen. In a agụlọ ha ya ka 1 2 3 na asape page by page. Ọ dị ndị aka ya nye ọchịchị ka ha chia. Somebody that can boldly pick up Olu Alex Otti lo wele ame campaign so no Tinubu na alo. Odi nda ake choji we eti na ọchịchị. They don't take care. Onye asef do afọ no ka dibia odi afọ no ko ye na egbo mmara written over him is wickedness and evil. Biko Alex Otti ikwana ko odi nda abia your government nso. Biko do nda Abia State unu jichi na ike. The only thing na agwode unu team up with your security, beef up security in Abia State. Unekwena ka ha wele ofi ye destabilize this government chukunye alone. Unu lose Alex Otti. Or you take an extra 50 years for somebody like him. Call the one.